Hi there, my name is Diana Go. Welcome to another episode of Get It. This week, we take a look at lighting up on campus. Are schools authority able to stamp out smoking on campus grounds? Is this an abuse of basic rights to smoke? Our reporter, Tim Sir, has the answer.
For years, smoking on campus has been one of the biggest obstacles for school authorities. From the sleazy and discreet stairways to hiding behind the bushes, corridors, and even bus stops, even in the most uncanny spaces, you could spot the student smokers. Lighting up is a matter of survival. Like drug users, smokers are finding it hard to pursue the activity freely. The activity spaces are being eroded by various anti-smoking policies.
Should smoking ban on the campus?
Yes.
Why do you think so?
Because our school want to promote a smoking-free campus. That's why they ban it from smoking campus, and even anywhere around the campus. And yeah, but that's part of a good thing and a bad thing, because some students, they prefer to smoke and still they go a bit further, and at the same time they're wasting time in school also. But yeah, at the same time it's a good thing that we don't smoke, because it's a healthy lifestyle. Okay, that's what I think.
To me, I feel it has to be lifted up. For most of us are smokers in RP. After we study very hard, we need to go smoke and have a break or somewhere. And I see my cigarette drop. Because we have to walk so far, then we get more tired. We'll go back to class already. No more energy to continue doing our work. So at least give us a smoking corner, a designated smoking corner. Then you make one big boundary where we also don't know when we go there. Also, you want us to go away further.
Should the smoking ban be lifted on campus?
Yes,
Why?
because once the ban is lifted away from campus, students will stop smoking secretly in the school. And it's better to have designated smoking areas in the school so that students will go by the rules and smoke in the designated smoking areas.
But keeping the campus smoke-free is not as easy as it seems. It's a constant battle for school authorities to provide a smoke-free environment. The policy calls for students to take pride of their campus and the education plus respecting non-smokers.
As the saying goes, no doubt about it, smoking ban on campus is here to stay. In fact, with the campus-wide smoking ban in place, campus cleaners devote less time to cleaning litter from smoking. The benefit of the ban have a long-term benefits. Think about it. I am Timothy Sir, reporting for Get It.
The ban on smoking on campus is part of an initiative to stop our young ones from lighting up. We'll catch you with more stories next week. Thank you for tuning in to Get It.